Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So we're making this video on a P0306 code. You guys have a check engine light and your vehicle is running kind of rough. We're gonna go over what that code is, and we're gonna show you how to fix that code if you have that issue. So basically, if you guys have a P0306, chances are you have a P0306 because you plugged in your OBD2 sensor tool, OBD2 scanner, and it comes up as a P0306. Now, there's a big difference between just a P0306 and a P0306 with multiple codes, and we're going to go into that. All right. P0306 essentially means cylinder 6 misfire. Essentially means that there is an issue with your cylinder 6 on your engine and there's a misfire there. And the most common thing that causes it is one of two things. It's either the spark plug or the coil itself. Now, that's only if you have a P0306 code and not multiple codes. Now, obviously, the way to fix this code, if you have this condition, is to either switch out the spark plug or switch out the coil. All right, and those two things are pretty easy and relatively inexpensive to swap out. If you guys are swapping out those the spark plug and the coil, you guys might as well swap out all the spark plugs and the coils. Now, the spark plugs are kind of inexpensive. They're about $12 each. The coils, however, if you buy it at a AutoZone or a Advanced Auto, any of those auto parts places, they go for around $140. If you guys buy it off of eBay, you guys can get a 4-pack, 6-pack, 8-pack. You guys get a 6-pack, 8-pack, whatever it is, for like 60, 70 bucks, and that includes the spark plugs. Now, I'm going to tell you guys how you guys can actually buy yourself some time. If you guys have this issue, you guys don't want to pay the $140 to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, just to get the coil. What you guys can do is you guys can actually swap out the coil for another cylinder on the vehicle that does not have a code. And basically, if the code switches up to another cylinder, that means the coil has the problem. If it doesn't switch up to another cylinder, that means your spark plug has the problem. And you could probably just swap out your spark plug and put the coil in, and it should work normally until you have a bigger issue. Now, normally, if you have the situation, you probably have an older vehicle with higher mileage. Well, in case nowadays, probably just a vehicle with high mileage, probably over 100,000 miles. What you can do is you guys can try, and I emphasize try, to clean the spark plug with electronic cleaner and a metal brush. And you guys could also try to clean the spring on the coil with a wire brush and see if that actually fixes any of your issue. It might just buy you a week or two so that you can go out and order the coil pack and the spark plugs from eBay and just replace them all at a very inexpensive price. Now, if you guys have a P0306 code, you guys have that code with multiple other codes. You guys have a P0306, P0305, P0301, and you guys don't get a P0300 code, which is a random misfire. It's probably because, well, your car has a lot of mileage and a lot of your spark plugs and coils are have deteriorated or malfunction or whatever, and you probably just need to change out all your spark plugs and coils and do a tune-up. However, if you have these codes, P0306 and multiple other misfires, and then you get a P0300 code, which is a random misfire, there is a chance that it's probably not your coils or your spark plugs that's a problem. It's probably because you have a vacuum leak, and this occurs quite often if you have an older vehicle. Rubber hoses do get brittle and they do break, and also you could have been working in your car, had your car worked on, and forgot to put in a vacuum hose, and that could cause that issue. But also you could probably have a bigger issue with your engine if you are in this situation with multiple codes misfiring, and it just randomly misfires, and every time you plug in OBD2 scanner and you read the codes, it's just random misfires on random cylinders. Chances are it's probably not a spark plug coil. Chances are it's probably a misfire, random misfire caused by sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. Caused by a misfire, or caused by a larger issue with your engine. In any case, you guys have this situation, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know how you guys fix it. Please drop a comment. It might help somebody else out. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.